English lessons with Teacher Erin.
Practice English vocabulary.
Vocabulary, Level A1, Beginner.
Transportation, boarding.
What's the word for this?
Sidewalk, sidewalk, sidewalk.
What's the word for that?
Bike path, bike path, bike path.
What is this called?
Bus stop, bus stop, bus stop.
What is that called?
Subway platform, subway platform, subway platform.
What's the word for this?
Train station, train station, train station.
What's the word for that?
Taxiway, taxiway, taxiway.
What is this called?
Parking lot, parking lot, parking garage, parking garage, parking lot.
What is that called?
Boat dock, boat dock, boat dock.
What's the word for this?
Airport, airport, airport.
What's the word for that?
Launch pad, launch pad, launch pad. Keep practicing.
Learning English is so fun. See you next time.